back to our mystery shopping category. Okay. Our actual mystery shopping category was for the top performer, and they had another title that was given to them by somebody in the community, was overall hustle award. And that's going to be
Mhm.
Diamond.
Yay.
Diamond, I don't think she's here,
Yeah, I
but
don't see her.
Diamond is getting the award for mystery shopping. Again, she took that course and just ran with it. She was like 2 weeks behind everybody else in taking it, actually. But once she started doing mystery shopping, that girl would not stop. So we had her down for over 40. I
Hmm.
honestly think it was a little bit more, but I could not confirm it with her. I'm just going by what was in the chat, and it was like 5 a day, 6 a day. One day she did, I think, almost 7. So that's what we came up with. So Diamond is going to get a $25 Amazon gift card also, and an award just stating about her mystery shopping. And again, somebody else gave her the title, just overall hustle. So we know is out there doing her thing. She has a couple small children. She has a tax business. She has several different things going on. So the point is, all of us have a lot going on, but it's kind of where you focus your energy. And we just want to recognize, that you guys are doing your thing. Okay. Um, and then we had a runner up for that one also for the mystery shopping. And that's going to be Miss Leslie Moon for mystery shopping. And the reason we decided on a second runner up for that one is because she did 20 plus on the telephone. On the telephone.
I
Those were
love them.
mystery
I
shops.
love them.
Yeah, those were mystery shops on the telephone.
I got 5 tomorrow in the daytime. So I'm
Oh
gonna hurry
my
up and do
God.
those early in the morning. And I got 2 online. I'm trying gotta do them online.
So can you tell us a little bit for those? Because I didn't even teach doing it on the telephone. I know I
Okay.
taught different companies. I talked about those, but I didn't
Yes.
actually show you how to do it on the phone. So I'm
No,
really
they give
impressed.
you like a little script or something, and you have to make up your own script. They give you what to say, and you just make up your own script. It was like a play, I wrote out like a story, and when I was on the phone, I just connected with that and got it flowing. And they
Okay.
asked me, I called the bank, and the girl was so nice and kind. She almost made me want to open an account. Okay. Yes.
So she passed the test.
She did. She did.
Well, I was just, like I said, very fascinated by when we have our little pop-up calls, guys. I know some of you are working and everything, but if you can, when we do those little pop-up calls, try to get on there, because even though it's not a scheduled weekly session, the gems are being dropped. I mean, this is one of the times Ms. Leslie gave us like 3 other companies that she had found in her own research. So I gave a list of 11, and she added like another 3. If I don't know if she can put them in our new chat for us eventually. But we wanted to recognize you though for completing 20 mystery shops via telephone. So again, congratulations. And you will receive a $15 Amazon gift card, as well as a certificate will be coming to you. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. My goodness. I didn't expect this.
Yes. So
I'm just
people,
enjoying everybody else. Everybody's doing so great.
Yeah,
Man.
they are.
Yeah.
you are so welcome. You are so welcome. And that's the other thing we love about our community. Honestly, like for real, everybody's just rooting for everybody. So again, if we're missing something that you did, hey, I did whatever, just please let us know. Because some people are more open than others. The squeaky wheel gets the oil. That's true. So don't be quiet, y'all. This is our session. We will move on to our next category.
Did
Which
we the loan signing?
Yes, now we are on loan signing. But
I think that's for you right there.
yes.
And
So now, guys, we are going to move on to our loan signing category. And we had one of our members. Well, it's cool the camera not on, because maybe they don't want the camera on. If they want to put it on, they can. One of our members had 100, over 100, because that was a month ago. over 100 loan signings completed. And that was a big deal because they have other businesses also that they're running. And we were just so, 100. So we wanted to do this celebration a couple weeks ago, but I'm kind of glad I forgot it. I didn't forget, but I knew I wanted to do something bigger. So it became a part of this. And that is going to be Bernice Escorpiso. Bernice has completed 100, over 100, because again, that was a month ago, loan signings. So we remember when she started, where she is today. And yeah, Lori is like, yeah, because they all started around the same time. So yeah, for her to complete over 100 loan signings. And you guys have been in the chat with her when she's been fixing errors and, mistakes has happened. What do I do this with the shipping? What do I do with this? What do I do with that? So we just wanted to acknowledge her. Bernice, I'm not sure if you're able to come off of mute or not. If you don't want to be seen on camera, I'm not sure because you were there initially. So maybe she had to step away. I won't have to redo all that. Let's see if she comes back. Well, anyway, Bernice is going to receive also a $25 gift card for Amazon and a certificate. And we'll come back and see if she can, maybe add some light on what she did to get that many signings. I know, again, one thing I'll say about the mentorship program overall is us being able to help you to not make the mistakes that other people are making so you can become the repeat notary. You make the mistakes with us. You put the question in the chat, and sometimes people may not like our delivery, maybe because we're running businesses too. Myself, Alexis, Jeffrey, we are notaries in our own right. So we have to answer your questions sometimes kind of rapidly, push back on something. And some people may not like our method. But if you stick with the program and, take yourself out the equation, let's get the answer to the problem. Let's get it fixed. Then you make the mistake over here in the group versus making it with the signing company. Does that make sense? Yeah. So again, sometimes the answer got to be rapid. It's like, what you need? What? Because I'm at my own signing too. But if you are humble enough to accept the help, and again, let's make the mistake together here, then that's how you are able to complete over 100 signings and be the, go-to notary for your area. Bernice, welcome back. I'm gonna do it really
Rewind,
quick. I'm gonna do it really quick
rewind,
again. I
rewind,
know, because you were
rewind.
Thank
not.
you. Sorry.
I didn't know if you had to go. If you didn't want to be on camera, I didn't know what was going on. So we
No,
just.
and I'll tell you why I was off camera. So
Got a
Oh,
job.
go
I was
ahead.
accepting a signing.
See, I told you.
So we're gonna
You got
start
to.
over. Congratulations on that signing. But we had
Thank
another
you.
award. It was top performing elite loan signing professional. And we know you
Wow.
completed over 100 because when you completed 100, that was like last month. So it's been a whole month. So you
Yeah.
completed more than 100. So we were just giving some tips on how you become that signing agent. And again, we just wanted to congratulate you on completing over 100. That's a big deal.
Thank you.
And working your other businesses and everything that you got going on. So yes, so that was it. You complete over 100. You too will receive $25 and a $25 Amazon gift card and a certificate to go with it. Once you receive it, if you want to take a little picture with it and post it, feel free.
Yeah. Thank
But
you so much.
you're welcome. Were there any tips that you might feel like you would like to share, just a couple maybe to help people to see how to become the go-to notary and to complete that many?
Yeah, well, first and foremost, I mean, I really could not have done it without Notary Educators. I mean, it really gave me the confidence to, just have that simple recipe and formula, that we all learned probably in our first videos that we saw Kimmi do. But one tip that I will give is, so if you're signed up with like Signing Order, SnapDocs, Notary Dash, like all the ones where you get notifications through your phone, what I did is I saved them, with their company. So I have like signing order notifications, notary dash notifications. And then there's a special ringtone that I have for each of those signing services come in. So when I hear that, I like jump to my phone and I just read it really quickly, make sure everything looks good, like distance, the price is okay, like everything, right? And then I just hit accept right away. And then if I don't like hear anything for like 10 minutes, I'll just call them and say, "Hey, this is Bernice from Texas. I'm calling to see about that job, da da da." And then I say, if it hasn't been assigned yet, I'd be happy to take it or something like that. Or and then they usually just assign it to me. So, really don't be shy about calling because this isn't their only order. I mean, they have so many things happening. So they could have sent it out, but then there's like 10 other ones that they need to send out too. So just give them a call and they would be very happy for you, to have it assigned so they don't have to, they could just move on. So just be like really quick about it. And then, one thing that I liked, and from the beginning that I remember Kimmi saying is like in the notes when you write the summary or is like the signing complete, just like add a nice note, signing was successful, no questions or concerns. And then I just say like scans to follow so that they're all just always in the know of like when they're going to expect the scans and then they can close it out. So I think just being in good communication and so this one that I just had, it was for MavSign and I'll be out of town tomorrow. So she called me and was like, "Hey, I sent you, something for MavSign." And I said, "Well, I'll be out of town tomorrow, but I could do it on Wednesday if that works." And she was like, "Yeah, and I noticed that it's like, 40 minutes, so I can add on a travel fee." And so she asked me what I wanted and all that. And then I asked her if it was scan back. So with MapSign, they give you another $15 for scan back. So in total, it's like $100. So, it was nice that like she called me because I've probably done maybe like more than a handful now. But I thought that was really cool that she called me to say, "Hey, I know you've done work for us before. Would you be able to do this one?" So yeah, sorry, I'm going on a little rant.
No, no, no. Thank you. No, the gems are in the rant if we're listening. Amazing, amazing. Again, congratulations to all your work. Do you mind if I ask one more question when it comes to, and I kind of talked about this while you were off camera, because I know you had some things where, when you had a signing, we had to get it corrected. It was mistakes made here and there. What are your thoughts about sometimes just being humble enough to take the assistance from us versus like I always say I like you to make your mistakes over here versus with the signing company. How has that you think benefited you in your business having a space to be able to get assistance?